Alright, there is the artwork.
I can't get on the ones behind the starter.
Ooh, shiny.
Yeah.
Would you go in the top of my red box and find a 1/2-inch socket, a 1/2 inch by 3/8? Just a short socket.
Which bolts you tightening?
Oil pan bolts are loose.
Oh. And a nice new alternator.
Huh?
Nice new.
A 1/2 inch?
1/2 inch, 3/8 drive.
Or 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch.
Yeah, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch.
And that's a brass tank on the water, the radiator.
Yes, it is.
There you go.
Yeah, I need to kind of.
Mitch, is that a factory voltage regulator?
Yeah. That's the
Electronic voltage regulator.
electronic voltage regulator as opposed to the
Mechanical.
mechanical black box
Yeah.
ones.
It was high zoot for back then.
Yeah, high zoot for back then. Yeah, here, grab this, Mitch. That's all I can do. Okay, I got the oil pan tight. A couple sockets to pick up.
So how many times have you won first place with this?
Quite a few.
Quite a few.
Best of show at Tiger Run once.
Tiger Run. So this is one of the Unknown Mechanics show cars. That's the GTO Goat.
Worked good for a while.
So this one is a 400 or a 455?
This is a 400 stroked out to 464.
464. Okay, I like the way you have your transmission lines hooked up nice and clean.
Yeah. They normally go down in here,
Yeah.
but they're a pain in the ass down there.
Now, have you got the MSD in here?
It's right in here.
Yeah, that's where Mitch put his. So MSD ignition box is under the fender, nice and concealed. It makes things run. Well, I don't know. Would you say, do you think your MSD box made a difference with yours?
Oh, I think it does.
I know it did with my Ranger on a V6, because that was an old oil-burning engine, and the multi-spark helped it run better.
You put that on your
Yeah,
Red Ranger?
yeah, the Ranger's got one. And how much do we need?
Probably 4.5 quarts.
Huh?
What?
Did you drain
It
it?
takes 5.
I thought it was 6.
This is 5. It's only 5.
And the Unknown Mechanics oil of choice for today is SuperTech Conventional 1040. Of course, it's not a sponsored mention. However, they should be paying the Unknown Mechanic.
Cut that out.
What part?
The Super Tech oil.
Isn't that what it called?
He's just using this.
This is a flush.
Yeah, this is a
He's
flush.
using it to flush the motor, so he doesn't use it.
Yeah,
Don't use the good shit.
don't use the good
Don't use
shit.
the good stuff to flush motors with.
Yeah,
Jesus
but you do use clean stuff.
It's brand new.
Yeah, brand
It
new.
is not it might be recycled. I don't know. What happened to the drop light? Now, you gotta keep the cord on the rag. Right here.
Yep.
Don't let the cord scoot off the rag.
Yes. The unknown mechanic follows a strict do not touch policy. It's hard to see fresh, clean oil.
I've got a
Down at the bottom. Try the tip.
Yeah, I put my own line on it. I'm trying to find my own line. I need my glasses. I just scratched a line on there. Because these things, you know, they're so old. What I did, I put, this engine takes 5 quarts.
Yeah.
And I scratched a line, I think it's right there.
Yeah, right there.
This side, it wants it up to here, but 5 quarts is what it takes, and I think that's my scratch line.
So this might be like a different dipstick than the original.
Yeah, well, it's an original dipstick, but it's the tube that, I think that's it.
Well, you know, you just poured in how much.
Well,
I would say you need 2 more
yeah,
at
I'm
least.
just going to pour in the rest of it.
Did it show on the dipstick?
Oh yeah, I'm going to pour in the rest of it though. But if you put in 6 quarts, it will splash on your crankshaft,
Yep.
windage straight or not.
And you don't want that.
No, that slows things down.
Well, that was maybe 1 quart there.
No, it didn't need much. And the oil, we already filled the oil up, the filter up. I'm just going to go ahead and let it drain. If it'll sit here.
Probably not.
Yeah.
If it's anything like mine, it'll fall and spill oil on everything.
It's sitting there, man. It's working. Did you see this, Jeff?
What?
Magnetic block heater.
Oh, yeah.
You put
Sticks
it-
onto your oil pan,
Uh-huh.
right? I like that.
Yeah, heats up the oil and...
Does it say how many watts?
Yeah, it's not that many, but it works. 200 watts.
200? That'll heat it up.
Yeah, it does.
Being a gas engine, I guess I don't really need a block heater. But I'm pretty sure that my truck started in Wyoming.
And it has a block heater.
Had a block heater.
Had it doesn't now.
No, not with the new engine. I could have put one in, but I couldn't get one in time.
Did you not want to take the one out of your old motor?
No, that was old.
See, see this is the factory, Mitch. I don't use that. I put 5 quarts in and then I put that little line right there. Yeah, you should, will that thing pick up sound really good?
This? Oh, yeah.
You're going to get the sound of the solid lifters in. Have you heard this
good.
run?
No. Well, it's been a long time.
You're going to, the solid lifters sound pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm pretty much right there on my line.
That's 5 quarts?
That's 5 quarts, yeah.
I like putting 6 in because usually I'm revving so high that
The oil doesn't come down so fast.
Yeah, he's usually got it around 3,500, 4,500 RPM, and all of his oil's up in his head.
Yeah. Okay.
Mitch had to put in a second oil pump that pumps it from the top of the engine down.
Well, diesels have that.
Oh, yeah?
Diesels have a secondary pump in that they have a... Hold it sideways. I don't want it on the floor. Try to keep it off the float. Nice. generally clean stuff up. Try to clean this stuff up right away. Because everything here picks up dust so bad.
Yeah. Now you've got the factory headers. Are these the standard header or the HO or anything?
Wipe off the top of the air cleaner, Mitch. It's got dust all over it. Please. It's going to try and suck all that dust.
Yeah. So are they the standard exhaust headers?
No, these are HO headers.
HO header. So what does that mean? Like they're the
High output.
but what they call them, a longhorn, or was that
No,
Ford?
that's a long branch.
Long branch.
But that is what goes on the big cars. And Firebird.
Okay.
Firebird takes a long branch too.
Okay. And so it's got like a 2.5 output outlet.
Yeah, 2.5.
Versus 2 1/4 or
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this one's pretty loud with what do you call them, the Flowmasters.
Oh yeah, that's right. And you have a X tube or an H
Cross
tube.
pipe, yeah.
Cross pipe.
X pipe, yeah.
And you prefer that over the H pipe.
It's better.
Yeah.
It's way better. Okay, so I'm going to wipe the valve covers off too. I think some of that dust from the concrete work is in here.
Oh yeah.
Don't wipe with that. That'll scratch them. Well, these are show quality, you know.
Yeah, nice chrome.
What's that? Yeah, these are still.
Okay, that'll cut.
Okay, so now what I guess I'm going to do is I think I'll turn it over without the spark plug wire and see if I can get oil pressure.
Mm-hmm.
If it doesn't come up.
Don't give it any gas.
Yeah. Oh, it won't start. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Yes. Hoping for no.
Okay, we are going for startup.
We don't want any bad noises.
First time in a while this has been run.
Not starting right now, Jeff.
Yeah, well, a turnover.
God, I think my steering wheel's loose.
What?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Have you got your little flashlight in there? I can't see the gauge.
So I've got this totally awesome light, and the damn thing is dead. The battery.
Does that sound good?
It's got a
Sounds the
knock.
starter on.
Yeah.
It's a different sounding.
You got pressure?
Yeah. You hear it?
Yeah, I think I heard.
Do you have any kind of a bracket that could be loose on the engine?
I don't know. Bolts. Okay. All right. I can reach one of these right now. Yeah, they're 5/8. Flex plate's loose.
It was?
No shit.
It is.
Flex plate to the torque converter?
Yep.
No shit. I hear it.
See, I knew it sounded like something loose, not a...
Maybe it was pulling the transmission. I didn't. I guess I should have Loctited those. Go down.
Is it the flex plate to the torque